This is one of my project, coffee maker. In this project, there is 5 buttons. The first button is for the reset button. Second button is for the making coffee without sugar. The third button is making coffee with sugar. Fourth button is making coffee now. The fifth button is making coffee every 24 hours. So I will press making coffee now, and the LCD will display with sugar or without sugar. So I press with sugar. So making coffee now. And the PIC will trigger the relay. The relay will control the pump. The pump will pump the hot water from here to the coffee powder and make the coffee. It's done. And you can drink your coffee now.